Hey guys, this is Mike from Mike Talks About and ConsumerWatchGuide.com. Taking a look today at a 2003 Rolex Sea Dweller. Again, as you notice, it's quite similar looking to the Rolex Submariner stainless steel. But after further inspection, you notice that it doesn't have first thing you'll notice, it doesn't have a date cyclops. And I think I speak for a lot of Rolex fans that this is an improvement. I know they did it because of the thicker sapphire crystal that they used on this watch, and the overall thickness is about 4 millimeters thicker than a regular Rolex Submariner. So they didn't want to bring the profile out too far. And I think maybe without knowing it, they really improved the aesthetic quality of the watch. And again, there's something nice knowing that this is a true tool diver's watch. They don't offer it in gold or two-tone. This is the only option, basically, is stainless steel, and it's for serious divers and you know, serious enthusiasts. This is not a fashion accessory or a jewelry watch. When you're comparing it with the Rolex Submariner, this particular model, it's water resistant up to 4,000 feet versus the regular Submariner is 1,000 feet. One of the things that you'll notice on further inspection is that on the side opposite the crown, there's what looks to be a little button, and that's the helium escape valve, and that's to prevent the crystal from popping off when divers come up and they're in the decompression chamber. So again, this is a very serious watch, and of course it has the oyster bracelet, which is typical for a Submariner or one of the sports watches from Rolex. It does have the triple lock crown with the 3 dots. You can notice that's the most water resistant crown that Rolex has in stem assembly. And again, you have if you can just take a look at the side of the case, it's much thicker, and when you put it on, you really can tell the difference. I like the presence better on the wrist, just the feel of it. It's much heavier feeling than a regular Submariner, much more substantial, and again, it's a comfortable size watch for a larger gentleman. The steel that they use is the same steel that they use on all their modern sport watches. It's 904L, I believe. The case is 40 millimeters in diameter, and unfortunately they're discontinuing this model. They're going to be replacing it with the Rolex Deep Sea, which I also have a review on. So you can check out my other videos for the Rolex Deep Sea review that I have. Let's see here, anything else to say about this? Of course, it has the Rolex traditional, like I said, oyster bracelet with the diver's extension. Nice thing with this is that Rolex actually provides you with a tool to adjust the diver's extension in the Sea Dweller. Luminous hour markers and hands again, and it does have the same 31-35 movement that the Submariner, and for that matter the Datejust, have as well. So it's a rock solid movement, time tested and true. Again, I'd say as of now, probably my favorite Rolex sports model. Just classic, just a classic timepiece. If you notice too, another thing I want to mention is that the case back actually has a 45-degree angle, and so when you put it on your wrist, it really sits a lot higher, which I like. You wouldn't think you would, but I think it's more comfortable feeling. For more watch reviews, check out ConsumerWatchGuide.com, and if you check the link over to the, I believe it's the right on YouTube, you can check the link to this written review of this watch and more high-resolution photographs. Till next time, I'm Mike from ConsumerWatchGuide.com. Take care.